They're all churning.
Like what? Why?
I don't know what happened.
What's going on? Do we
Road construction.
What?
They're all turning around. Oh. They're all turning around. This means it's gonna take longer to get home.
Like what? What? Somebody tell us. Do we turn around? Do we keep going?
I don't know.
Yeah. Go ahead, Patty.
What to do? What to do? It's 4 o'clock.
There's police.
Ready? Oops.
Ooh.
I wonder if they're trying to catch someone.
Oh, there goes that one over there.
People are getting out of their car.
They want to see what's going on up there.
Like, are we gonna be able to go? It's not that far.
There's oh no, someone else is getting out of their car.
Guess what? She's gonna go.
She looks serious.
Someone probably oh,
She's taking her jacket off.
it's serious.
And then goes back in.
Did someone die?
I don't know, but
This is a bad accident, so the traffic's gonna be backed up until, you know.
Oh.
you know that there are some.
Bill.
No, I think they're letting
Yeah.
Ooh.
Patty was gonna just drive through everything.
Holy crap, that is a long line. Oh, it's like almost a whole road. Yeah, I can't tell if it's longer or not.
It's longer.
See, look, it's longer.
Okay, Patty, let's go. Well, there's the ambulance. Somebody